In this video, we'll take a closer look at Finelo and find out whether it actually works or if there are some important things you should know before signing up. The first thing you should know is that Finelo is a learning platform primarily focused on financial education and investing. Its goal is to help users understand concepts related to financial markets through different lessons and educational tools. To get started, you'll need to visit the official Finelo website and complete the registration process. During the first few steps, the platform may ask you several questions about your experience, your goals, and the type of content you're interested in learning. One of Finelo's main advantages is that it tries to explain financial concepts in a simple and accessible way. This can be especially useful for beginners who want to learn about investing, stocks, financial markets, and money management from scratch. The content is also organized into different lessons, allowing you to progress gradually and learn each concept step by step. You can also find exercises and different features designed to make the learning experience more interactive. However, there are also some important things to keep in mind. Finelo is not a completely free platform, so before choosing any plan, you should check exactly how much you'll be paying, what's included in your subscription, and whether the subscription renews automatically. If you later decide that you no longer want to use the service, it's also important to understand how to cancel your subscription and when the cancellation takes effect. So, is Finelo a scam, or does it actually work? Finelo is a real platform focused on financial education. However, whether it's worth using will depend on what you're looking for, your previous experience, and whether you believe the content provided is worth the subscription price. It's also important to remember that learning about investing doesn't mean you'll automatically make money. Investing always involves risk, and it's important to research and fully understand any financial product before making a decision. Finelo can be an interesting option for beginners who want to learn about finance and investing through structured, easy-to-follow lessons. However, before paying, always check the price, subscription terms, and cancellation policy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials and reviews.